Ringside Collectibles package unboxing. I just had a lot of caffeine, so I'm really into this. Actually, I didn't. I was just acting. As a lot of YouTubers do when they make videos, they often accentuate their personality. To be honest, I was lying in bed reading X-Men comics before doing this. Not the most energetic thing. But on camera, for my audience, I put on a Persona 5 coming out for the PlayStation 4. I got this package from Ringside Collectibles. You might be confused that it's so small, and I did announce recently that I wasn't picking up as many Ringside figures. Some people booed me, some people cheered, and by Ringside figures I mean pre-orders. I might get some when they hit the store so I don't totally destroy my wallet, but this here is the start of a new Tommy, the new day. Oh my gosh. But honestly, my wallet is glad and stuff like that. So while I'm having, I opened it up and there is a new advert for figures I own and spent too much money on. But there is one figure, and it is my own Girl by Natalia. She is looking pretty cool on this figure. But the thing is, I will review this for you. I will do a solid review. But the thing is, you're gonna have to wait about a month because I have special plans for this one figure. So take a good look now because you won't be seeing the review till April 1st or 2nd. Actually, that's like 10 days. That's not a month. But I just want to say that, don't put me on a pedestal. I'm just a man. I'm not someone to look up to. I can't exceed. I can't always hit your expectations. And I don't know why am I saying this? Is it because of the YouTube drama recently? I don't know. Is it because of some comments recently? Probably not. Don't think yourself. Don't think it's you that's doing this because, this isn't a Carly Simon song. Or is it because today is Glenn Webb's birthday and I'm having an existential crisis? I don't know. But all I know is that I'm a flawed human being. And it freaks me out when people say, I'm a fan of yours, because I consider you all viewers. And when you say you're a fan of me, it's like you're putting me on a pedestal. Like, all I want for you to see me as an equal. So this is the last video I'm doing for this week, if you're watching this when it was posted, because I have conventions coming up and a lot of things on my plate, like my birthday. Yes, that is right, Glenn Webb's birthday and mine, one after the other. What a shocker, right? It's like we planned it. Are we twins? Hashtag conspiracy theory. Am I on a pedestal right now doing this video? Is that how I'm so tall? Let me know your thoughts and theories in the comments, and wait till April to see this figure reviewed. For now, this is Ultimate Fame Tommy telling you to bring me down a little. Cheers.